Now the topic is birds. I will give you the information about birds. Birds found everywhere. See, there are many birds. They found everywhere. Birds like to eat insects, seeds, plants and small animals. Birds have hollow bones which helps them to fly. Hollow means क्या होता है? Like this, children. अंदर से खाली है ना? See, so they have hollow bones which helps them to fly. They do not have nose. They have holes on their beak. See, they do not have nose. They have holes on their beak. They do not have ears also. They have holes beside the eyes. उनको ear नहीं है, but they have holes to hear. They have holes to hear beside the eyes. And they don't have teeth also, children. They do not have teeth. Also, they swallow the food. ऐसा ही निगलते हैं food. Now, the body parts. See, beak, feather, claw, and wing. Body parts are beak, feather, claw, and wing. See, every bird have feather on their body to keep them warm. Okay. Now, what is the use of claw? They hold the branch with their claw. See, like this. So they can sit confidently, and they have wings, 2 wings. Okay. Now, swan, duck. See, this is crane. This is swan and duck. These are water birds. These are water birds. All birds cannot fly, like ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly. Penguin cannot fly. And hen. These birds cannot fly. See, ostrich cannot fly. And it is the largest bird in the world, children. It runs. Ostrich eggs can be the size of melon, like खरबूजा. Okay, इतना बड़ा होता है. And it cannot fly. Now the penguin. Penguin also cannot fly. Penguins are the only birds who walk like us. Penguins are the only birds who walk like us, and they swim in the water. Now, this is owl. An owl turns its head around 360 degree. If you want to see here and there, it turns its head, but can't move their eyes. They can't move their eyes. Okay. The largest bird is the ostrich. Largest bird is the ostrich. And the smallest bird is the hummingbird. Smallest bird is the hummingbird. And a national bird is the peacock. National bird is the peacock. So children, you have to write the spelling of birds. Like largest bird is the ostrich. So write the spelling of ostrich. Then the smallest bird is the hummingbird. You have to write the spelling of hummingbird. And a national bird is the peacock. Children, hummingbird is, its length is like 2 inches only. इतना छोटा होता है. Okay, small. So this is called. So this is the smallest bird. I have to draw a line. Wait. Draw a line from the body parts to its correct place. So where is the eye place? Here. Big place is here, beak. Here is the wing. Here is the tail. And legs